Assalamu alaikum friends. Here is 34 lights Ray Overlay. These files are Photoshop, mostly in JPG high definition file, and these files are protected. Password in this app: go to Google Play Store and buy now for lifetime. All password in this app. Simply, first you see the regulations of. Wow. Okay. First, for example, open this one to Photoshop, and we need a image. Open. We need high definition photo like this one. Okay. Drag here. Enter. Click here on screen. You see our effect is here. You can move there, depend your own choice. Okay, so you can do very easily. For example, I have this one. Open, drag here. No, click on screen. Okay, very easy, and you can use in Photoshop CC++ and CC++. Okay, open this one, and now we need a portrait photo. Here is this one. Enter, drag there. So high definition. Enter. Same thing. Click on screen. You see. You can move anywhere, depend your own choice. Now, I hope these overlays are useful for you. Subscribe me. Allah Hafiz.